One more advanced settings I would like to let you know. For example, you have been created one board, okay, sales activity, that's a board. If you select that one, you will go inside a board. For example, you have a to do, doing, and done. If you like to add one more list, for example, someone done the work and you would like to reject that one, okay, this is not proper. So then we can add one more list here, add another list. We'll say rejected, added a list, then close this one, so that here we have been added one more list. For example, someone done but you are think that it is not proper, so we can take it to a rejected. So we'll come to know that okay, once someone has been completed the some of the activities, they will also come to know that okay, is it rejected or accepted. Once they have been done, you can create one more list like accepted. Okay, like this we can create a n number of the multiple of the lists. Okay, so that like this it will be having a much more better control when based on your requirement you can change the name of these things. Okay, you can go here and you can delete this particular thing and you can add another list. Okay, you can change the list as per requirement. You can move them, arrange them according to your requirement. Okay, this is all about how to create a boards and managing within a boards, adding activities and manage boards to get better team interactivity.